We're going on bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. We're not scared. Oh no, a river. A big cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. So they all went splish, splash, splish, splash, splish. So they all, we're not going on bear hunt ever again. The end.